have found an example of a really annoying problem. This problem is annoying because it's got all kinds of like terms you have to worry about and a ton of fractions, and nobody really likes to deal with fractions very much. So, well, I haven't met anybody, I should say. Not only are we having lots of fractions, but all of the fractions have different denominators, so that makes it even more difficult. So I'm going to show you how to clear out the fractions so that we don't have this big mess. In order to clear out the fractions, you're going to find a common denominator. You're going to find a common denominator. So that will be something that all of these will divide evenly into. And at first you might think like, okay, well maybe 18 because 9 and 6 and 3, I'll go into it, but then this 12 messes that up. So what's something that 18 and 12 can both go into? Well, they will both go into 36. So 36 ends up being our common denominator because 36 is divisible by 9, by 18, by 6, 3, 12, and so on. Okay, so we're going to multiply everything, all the terms, both sides of the equation, by 36. All right, so the first thing you're going to do on your paper then is to show with big parentheses that you're multiplying this side by 36 and you're also multiplying this side by 36. Now when you do that, you need to share the 36 with each term on each side. So we're going to multiply 36 times this, and times this. So let's think. What is 36 divided by 9? 36 divided by 9 is 4. So then what is 4 times 2? 4 times 2 is 8. So I'm going to have 8x. Then we think, what is 36 divisible by 18? That is 2. Then I'm going to have this 5 left over, so 2 times 5 is 10. Then I'm going to think, what is 36 divided by 6? Which will be 6. And 6 times 5 is 30. But this is a negative, so I'm going to subtract and have minus 30. All right, so we're halfway done. We got through this side of the equation. And all we did was we multiplied each term by 36 and then reduced the fraction. Same thing here. We've got, what is 36 divided by 3 is 12. 12 times 2 is 24. Plus 36 times, or divided by 12 is 3. And 3 times x is just 3x. Plus 36 times 1. 36 divided by 6 here is 6, times 1 is just 6. So did I get each of these terms figured out?
Uh-huh.
Yep. We've got 24 plus 3x plus 6 on this side minus 30, 10x. There we go. Now I'm ready to do just what I've been doing this entire time, which is seeing if I can combine any like terms and doing that. All right? So I've got this 8x here, and I see another like term, the 10x. So that would be 18x minus 30, because we have to bring this down. Even though we didn't combine any like terms, it's still part of the problem. Then over here, I don't have any other x's, but I do have a 24 here and a 6 here. So 24 plus 6 is 30 plus 3x. Do you see any mistakes yet? Did I do it? Hopefully. Otherwise we'll have to make another video. All right. Now I am ready to start solving my problem. Well, I've got x's on each side, so I need to bring all the x's to one side and all the numbers to the other side. I'm going to just start on this side because that sounds like fun. Let's try adding the 30, because I can't get rid of this 18 until I get rid of the negative 30. If I add 30 to this side, I have to also add it to this side. Now make sure you add the 30 to the other constant. You can't add 30 to 3x because those are not like terms. All right, negative 30 plus 30 is 0. Those cancel out, and I'm left with 18x. On this side, 30 plus 30 is 60. And then I have a 3x on this side. So I got my 30 to that side, but now I need to get this 3x to the other side. I want to get all my x's on one side. I don't want to divide by 3 because I want to move the whole term of x's. So I'm going to get rid of this whole term, 3x. Subtract, oh, let me use a different color. I'm going to subtract 3x. If I do that here, I must also do that here. 18 minus 3x is 15x equals 60. My last step then is to figure out how do I get rid of the 15? I'm going to divide, since this is 15 times x, divide by 15 on each side. And as we know from our friend the clock, when you have 60 minutes and you divide them by 15, you get 4.
Dang, too close.
You get 4. All right, and that is a huge problem, but now we know how to do it.